Will a Cricket SIM work in an AT&T phone? Guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there, guys. Welcome back to another episode on Eddie Blotnicki III. And on this channel, I'm typically talking tech. And today, guys, yes, talking about another highly searched topic here. Believe it or not, it's will a Cricket SIM work in an AT&T phone? So, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on in. But first, there's always a first, really, for everything, but what I talk about on the channel. Always keeping it real with you guys here. My current subscribers, you probably already know the answer to this question, so don't spoil it for newcomers that might be watching my channel for the very first time, because this is a highly searched topic on YouTube. So I want to go ahead and go into it, and then towards the tail end, I'm going to be giving a little story. So you guys don't want to miss out on that. So, will a Cricket SIM work in an AT&T phone? I'm going to get right to the point here. The answer is yes. You can take a bring your own phone SIM card through Cricket and put it in any AT&T phone, whether that be a postpaid AT&T phone or a prepaid AT&T phone. So, why someone might want to do this? Well, if you don't want to pay the $25 activation fee on Crickets, you can go ahead and just buy a AT&T phone, put your SIM card in. I know a couple people that actually do that to get around the $25 fee. And for those who might have AT&T but are looking for a alternative, maybe have been eyeing up Cricket and are like, you know what? Can I use my AT&T phone since it is on the same network? And yes, so just wanted to go ahead and clear that up with you guys. So, for those of you who might be new and are wondering, well, how do I get one of these bring your own phone SIM cards? You could go ahead and go on the website here, go under shop and bring your own phone, and you can go ahead and purchase it directly through Cricket, but they do charge $9.99. So in the description, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to where you guys can get one of these for as little as $5. Save you guys some cash there. A little bit of savings on the money. Who doesn't love that? Especially when you're going from maybe postpaid AT&T over to Cricket. Just want to save some money. So in the description, go ahead and check out the link that I have there. So it's kind of interesting here. Cricket really doesn't advertise that you can bring an AT&T phone directly on over. It just says here, your unlocked phone. Our network together at last. So basically, it's any unlocked GSM compatible phone and any AT&T phone you can go ahead and bring on over to the Cricket network. So guys, honestly, that's going to go ahead and pretty much do it for today's video, just wanted to go ahead and answer the question of basically, can I use my AT&T phone on Cricket right out of the box? Absolutely. No unlocking is required. You can use your locked AT&T phone on Cricket just fine. So guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today's video. If you guys happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs down, whichever you feel is best. Maybe you're watching me maybe for the very first time. This video might have been suggested to you, or you were actually searching for the term, will a Cricket Sim work in an AT&T phone? And you're watching and you're like, you know what? I like this guy. I encourage you to go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future uploads. And for those of you that are new here, yes, I am a big fan of Cricket Wireless. It's my favorite cell phone carrier. So if you guys love Cricket, I talk about Cricket like all the time on the channel, as well as some of the other cell phone carriers, because you gotta give them some love too. Give them the benefit of the doubt for people that can't get service on Cricket via AT&T network. So guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. So much more tech videos are on the way soon. I can't wait to share them with you guys. All right, guys, and until next time.